A 3.9 or a 4.9?
Fastest guy right there.
That's the fastest guy right here.
I have no
Fastest guy right
problem
here.
with that.
Listen, point being, at any given Sunday, anything can happen. The fastest guy don't always win.
He did
Okay,
that.
so finish that. So fastest guy doesn't always win?
You go the way you're
Fastest guy
throwing,
doesn't
man.
always sometimes wins. If the fastest guy don't win, somebody got to win.
I said the fastest guy doesn't always
That's what he
win.
said. The
So
fastest
the
guy always.
slowest guy sometimes could win, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Can I get a picture? So
Yeah, you ain't too much to make.
do we have another race for third place that we got first?
That's it.
That's it.
All right,
Let's get
first
first.
place is Dan. Congratulations. Kevin, second place is my boy Kevin. Congratulations, third place, buddy. Shit, third place, Kev. Congratulations.
Third place.
Hey,
Oh
hey.
shit.
What is it? So you'll be down for Wait, hold on.
Wait for you, Larry. All right, fellas, listen. In 5 minutes, 5 minutes, I need you guys back here, all right?
Yeah. Pantyhose, kid. Super Zap. But I would be afraid, man. That's a beautiful engine. There's nothing wrong with pantyhose. I love the artwork here, kid.
Getting rebuilt anyway.
Fucking artwork up here. I love the weights here.
I hope I can take them back off.
I can't wait to see this.
I just ran a 4-1 again.
Yeah? Yeah.
Wait till next year when he's got 2 speed and
Really?
he's nowhere near done. Power Spark. I got a lot of plans for this car.
This thing has been surprising me for the past 3 years, bro. I always walk out here with trophies. And the less maintenance, everything. There's a beautiful road glide right here. Screaming Eagle intake. Reinhardt exhaust, nice.
You would probably do good with this. Was it around 4.9s? Yeah, I think it's 4.9s. So with those little minor things, you'll probably go down to the 4.7.
I didn't know Dan had a 2-speed. I got a single, bro.
Same one as yours.
It's alright, it's alright.
Oh, you got a single on your dragster?
Yeah.
But let me tell you something, it got some top end.
Yeah, not too bad, right?
Car got top end. Because you caught him at the end.
Yeah.
Barely. But don't feel bad. 45. Don't feel bad. It's a 45. So you did good.
His exhaust came
You
out
did real
too.
good.
Does he know about that?
Oh wow, look at that.
I like this.
Look at that.
He's gonna let me know when
Oh yeah, he lost it.
I may get this exhaust and cut the pipes off. Get the resonators out. See how
Sounds
that
like
goes
a car.
Come over here and meet Mr. Larry here. Big Mike's father. Brat brother. What's up, Mr. Larry? Good to see you out here, man. Good to see you out here. Supporting Big Mike. Any questions? Huh?
Louis.
There's Louis over here.
Hey, Louis. He's the fan club.
Louis, I want to see you brapping, kid.
And my girlfriend
No
got
E-words.
lost.
No E-words.
Fine. You didn't qualify yet?
I did, but I don't know if they got my
Wait.
time.
Good Arnold.
I qualified last week.
So you good then?
Yeah, I'm last week.
Hey, the lines don't count, so make the math. Keep going.
Third place.
Who's the third guy, Arnold? Kevin!
I'm number 3, kid.
HBI Kevin.
Big 3 today.
Lou!
Zap.
Vern! Maddie!
Maddie Mac.
Dave! Marv!
I think I'm gonna go home.
Larry!
With the today.
Mike! Here. Danny! Here. John! Pete! Flacco! Here. Chops. How many you got?
All right.
Because we had 3 no-shows today.
What do you got, Johnny?
I'm gonna try to blow my Baja up today.
All right, listen up, guys.
blow it up.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the brackets together. I would like to do 3 cars. I would like to have 3 pairs lined up so that we can get this thing done. Remember, we got a 2 out of 3 race format. We got to get this done. Okay? So I'm gonna call 3 pairs at once. And I want the first pair, then I want the second pair behind them, and the third pair behind them, so that we can get this thing running smoothly. All right? Listen up. Let me say this. First race, John and Flacco. Let's go. Line them up. Behind John and Flacco is Kevin and Chops. Behind Kevin and Chops is Boda Jones. HBI Kevin.
HBI Kevin?
Yeah. There's only one Kevin. Behind Chops and Kevin is Boda Gel and Dave.
Okay, let's get
off.
off.
The first 3, I got to come back under its own power. Third and final winning races. I don't care if it goes in the bushes. You still won. Got it?
That's gonna be me today.
Keep going, Chops. Keep going, Chops. Chops, keep going. Chops, keep going. Slowly, slow. Keep going. Keep going. All right, bring it back.
All right, we got a DQ on the right side. Left lane gets 1. Boda Gel and Dave.
There we go, boy. Shift it. Yeah. Go on, motherfucker. There we go, John. I tell you, John, keep it straight. Yeah. Keep it straight. Shake it in the back. Sorry, you got one more. That's it. at it.
It's that shit carburetor. Damn, a point.
Maddie, no! Bring a car, Lou. Maddie.
What's the point?
You've been practicing!
I keep it straight. RCM pace master. Go racing, man. Let's go run. Let's go run. Yeah, man.
Good run.
4-6. 4-6.
Nice race, guys.
Skills out here. These got skills out here. I'm trying to figure it out, man. You know what I mean?
Ooh. Ooh. Some driving right there.
1-1.
Got some bashing skills you got. Wow. Wow.
That seems crazy, son.
Mike got that. All right.
Mike.
Mike, bring it back outside. Bring it back outside. Huh? All right, 1-1.
Oh shit, it's a good race, kid. It's a good race. Yo, Mr. Larry and Big Mike over here, kid. Holy shit, you never know, brother.
Yes, sir.
Mikey's getting the goal today, kid. Mikey Mike.
Let's put those on record. Let it be known.
I knew I was running the wrong front tires. They were 3 inches.
Alan helped him out.
I gave the 2-inch, put the skinnies, my car was low and I had no steering from the bounce. All good.
Wonderful.
But did you know
It was a good race, though.
2 spots, 2 identical spots, the car went to the right. Because she bounced up, I had no steering, she couldn't grip.
Yeah.
Same
Right there.
spot. Over, man, over.
That's Alan's tires.
He's as well as it gets.
Alan helped Mikey beat out himself. It's all good, bro. This is Brap family. This is what Brap family does.
And the first day I came to the track, Alan was the first person to come up to me and say, come over to the, I was running over here, and he goes, come over here. So he
To
said,
the tree.
So I said, I appreciate
This guy, yo, this guy.
We got
over
the
here.
new team
The
member
engine
here.
was still there, the car was still there. I'm not giving him full credit, but I appreciate it. Thank you.
Even Mr. Larry is proud, bro, Mikey.
A little function function, that's exactly what happened.
Got that pipe, that Bartolone pipe.
That's the, yeah, but there's 2 Bartolone pipes. I didn't
Yes.
know that. There's
Yeah.
one that's actually made just for the GT20.
Yes, sir.
That's that one.
Go ahead, Mr. Larry. After you, brother. Thank you.
And I learned everything from him. Not from this, but engines, everything, it's from him.
Good stuff. I like how you wrapped the head.
Why did you go out? I had the whole, what? Why did you go out?